In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn plain text into a clean, interactive checklist using a simple context menu option. This approach keeps your tasks tidy and clickable, so you can see progress at a glance without juggling extra tools. Start with the text you've already written. Think of each line as a task you want to track. Keep it simple and specific, one action per line, so your list stays easy to scan. When you're ready to convert a line into a task, move your cursor over the exact piece of text you want. Now right-click directly on that text to open the context menu. From the menu, look for the option labeled Tags. Hover over or click it to reveal its choices, then select Checkbox. The moment you choose Checkbox, you'll see a small box appear next to your text. That's your new to-do item. Repeat this on each line you want to include in your list, and watch as your notes transform into a structured set of tasks. If you accidentally apply a checkbox to the wrong line or change your mind later, just right-click that same text again, go back to the Tags option, and unselect checkbox to remove it. A few quick tips help this work smoothly. Make sure you're right-clicking on the actual text, not an empty area around it. The context menu needs to know exactly which content you're tagging. If you don't immediately see the Tags option, confirm you're in an editable text area and that your workspace supports tags. Some interfaces display the Tags submenu after a slight pause, so give it a second if it doesn't open right away. As you build your list, keep each task clear and concise so the checkbox label is easy to read. Consistent phrasing, like starting with a verb, helps you scan the list faster. You can apply checkboxes to any line you like, whether it's a short reminder or a longer note. If the formatting changes slightly when the checkbox appears, that's normal. The system may adjust spacing so the box lines up neatly with the text. When you're done adding checkboxes, take a quick pass to ensure every item you care about has one. Your list is now interactive and ready to use. And remember, anytime you want to convert more text into tasks, right-click the text, select the Tags option, and choose Checkbox. That's all there is to it. Simple, consistent, and effective.